Want to copy and paste your Performance Max campaigns from Google Ads to Microsoft Advertising without starting from scratch? You can easily do so with our latest Google Import tools. Use Quick Import to duplicate your Google Ads in seconds. Advanced Import to select specific items and customize settings in detail. Or if you're not sure where to start, try Smart Import to balance control and ease. Let's look at each option in detail. With Quick Import, you will first select Quick Setup on the Microsoft Advertising platform, and then sign in to your Google Ads. The beauty of Quick Import is that you don't need to do anything, as it'll automatically sync over all your Google Ads in a few seconds. You can then review or edit your import once it's done. If you need slightly more control, try our new Smart Import. With Smart Import, you need to select Customize before signing into your Google Ads account. Then, easily set up your import name, schedule, and notification preference. For schedule, we recommend setting Automatic Schedule or a recurring schedule for your import to take place during your business hours, so you can easily check your import status. For notifications, it's best to select Only if there are changes and errors, to stay tuned for the key updates. With Smart Import, you can also make simple edits to your budgets, bids, and status by turning on the relevant toggles. For Performance Max campaigns, make sure you have enough budget to run across multiple ad formats and inventory. Give your Performance Max campaign up to 2 to 3 times the budget of your historical standalone campaigns in Microsoft Advertising. If your daily budget was $10, set it as $20 to $30 for your Performance Max campaign on Microsoft Advertising. It's important to note that budget constraints hinder Performance Max optimization, so edit your budget accordingly, even during learning periods after importing. Once everything is set the way you want, start the import. If you need further control, select Advanced Settings to access Advanced Import. Here you can select what you want to import, whether all your campaigns or only a certain campaign. You can see both active and paused campaigns if you check Show Paused Campaigns, Ad Groups, and Asset Groups. After selecting your import items, select Next to configure more settings. If it's not your first time importing, you can check Items Not Previously Imported into Microsoft Advertising and uncheck Updates to Existing Items. This way, your new import will not override the existing settings you've already applied onto your Microsoft Advertising campaigns. But if you have recently made changes to your Google Ads campaigns, you should check the box for Updates to Existing Items, so your changes can be synced over from Google Ads to Microsoft Advertising. Also, if you've recently deleted items in your Google Ads and don't want to do it again on Microsoft Advertising, you can check Delete Items that have been removed from your Google Ads account. We highly recommend you check the box for UET tag, whether you want to use an existing tag or create a new one. For bids and budgets, to ensure your campaigns won't be blocked from serving, simply check the boxes for Increase Keyword, Ad Group, Auto-Target Bids, Campaign Budgets, and Product Budgets to the minimum for Microsoft Advertising. Lastly, you can review and change your import schedule before you finalize. After importing, it's time for review. Go to the dashboard for Import Schedule and History to check your import status, settings, and errors by downloading error files. Ensure your conversion tracking and assets are set up the way you want them, and you have all the entities you want appended to your Performance Max campaigns. Some entities, such as brand exclusion lists and video assets, will not be imported. Creative asset specifications may be different in Microsoft, so check on these entities after your import. Some audience signals may get imported, but many will not have data against them, so make sure to create new audience signals and append them to your Performance Max campaign. If you don't like your current Google import, you can always edit, pause, or delete it at any time. Go to the Scheduled Imports table to select your import, then select Edit and Pause or Delete. With Google Import, you can save time in setting up Performance Max and reach more customers on Microsoft Advertising.